Asian markets have sold off today, although it hasn't been as bad as many have been expecting before the open this morning. The news overnight was particularly focused on the fact that US EIA oil inventories decreased much more than the market had been expecting. We saw oil inventories down by 3.4 million barrels, even though the API inventories number saw about a 2.5 million barrel gain. So this no doubt helped oil rally very strongly, up 3.5% at some points overnight, and hitting its highest level in 2016. But the difficulty is oil still looks like it is a little toppy and perhaps ready for some declines in the near future. Oil's now formed a very distinct double top formation over the past 2 weeks, and that could be a leading indicator for a potential reversal going forward. Nonetheless, oil has held up very strongly, and the US dollar conversely has weakened overnight and also slightly into the Asian session, not being able to hold on to the 94 level there in the dollar index, the Dixie. And that has also helped the wider commodity space, iron ore and copper, both up today as well and in the overnight session. So that has really been helping the materials and energy sectors across the region, particularly here in the ASX. And certainly there has been a fair bit of strong buying for the Australian banks today. However, news that ASIC, Australia's securities regulator, would be investigating ANZ and Westpac with regards to rate rigging of the BBSW rate has been hitting both those stocks. Both stocks down over 1%, and Westpac down over 3%. And so that has been weighing down what otherwise is quite strong buying in the financial space in Australia, with Macquarie, CBA and also NAB staying relatively clear in positive territory. Macquarie still seeing a lot of buying in the wake of its much stronger than expected earnings report last week. But across the region, even though we saw a strengthening of the yen overnight, the Nikkei is not down as much as might have been expected. Certainly in the morning, we were looking for it to open down about 0.8%, but it is down only about 0.1% so far. And it's looking a little bit better over in China as well. Whilst markets are still down, it is a lot better than we were forecasting earlier in the day.